In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious oatmeal protein cookies that require no protein powder at all. Let's begin. Hey guys, Noor here with Naturally Fit, bringing you the best fitness videos on the planet. On this channel, we post videos similar to this, workout related videos, and fitness product reviews. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Alright, now let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you'll be needing some cinnamon, 2 bananas, a cup and a half of oats or 120 grams, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and any type of sweetener you'd like. I'll be using honey today. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, add the oats. Now you can add your bananas, and I'm just going to peel them and put them in the mix, or you can just mash them separately and then add them. But just to save time, I'm just going to put them pieces and then just mix them as I'm mixing everything else. That's really the main stuff, so it's really bananas and oats. Now you can add just like as much cinnamon as you want. It's really up to what you like. I'm just going to put that much. Now it's time for the vanilla, and you can put as much as you want. I'm going to put that much. And of course your sweetener, which I'm going to be using honey. Alright, so everything's in this bowl, and as you can see, it's really easy to do. You don't need that much ingredients. So now, let's get mixing. That's really all it took, and now look at this beauty. We got these cookies. Oh my god, they look so good. Yeah, I really recommend you guys trying these because these are so good. Oh my god. Now let's talk macros. In this entire recipe, there's 9 grams of fat, 149 grams of carbs, and 17 grams of protein. If you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you're new. Alright, now let me know what you think about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time on Naturally Fit.